and welcome to Martin Moto. My name is Tyler, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about this 2022 Triumph Scrambler Sandstorm Edition. Only 775 of these motorcycles exist, making for quite a rare piece. Its 900cc parallel twin engine makes 64 horsepower and 51 foot-pounds of torque. The previous owner has put quite a few choice upgrades on this machine: Fox rear shocks, front fork covers, heated grips, and a full header's back exhaust from Zara with an updated tune. There's a few more upgrades, but you'll have to come by and see the bike for yourself to check those out. For about $11,000 out the door, this piece could be yours, and it's a wonderful and rare machine that works both well on street and in the dirt. Here's a cold start on this 2022 Street Scrambler Sandstorm Edition.
The closest, like we are kind of in between Oxtown